Hello guys, today I will show you homemade PC, type PC by using Raspberry Pi 0W with inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Installed the Kali Linux in it. So this is a PC and this one is a motherboard. This one is a Raspberry Pi 0W inbuilt Wi-Fi with inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Install the Kali Linux in it, and this one is a small HDMI cable, HDMI to big HDMI cable. This one is HDMI cable, USB hub, and small keyboard, mobile. And I will keep in this box some memory card or some Wi-Fi adapter. And this one is a video capture in 4K video capture card. Okay, this one is a OTG cable, and this one mobile is old Android phone, Android mobile. I already installed the Kali Linux in it. I will show you. So guys, you will get every tools in it. The information gathering tools, global eviction tools, data. You can get every tools, the password attacks. You can get every tools. You can just do like this also. You can see the reverse engineering tools. You can see it here. You will get every tools. Expert tools, speaking tools, the forensic tools. You can see the forensic tools. You can see every tools, guys. You can see every tools, guys. And now you can see the command terminal. See guys, command terminal. You can see the command terminal. So in the next video I'll show how to install the tools inside the Raspberry Pi 0W. Okay, I'll show you everything. This one is a ESP32 Wi-Fi. This one ESP32 66 ESP32 66 is for the Wi-Fi. This one is a breadboard. The next video I will show the full practical video of these tools. So thanks for watching, guys. Yeah.